There are seasons in life when everything feels like it's falling apart. Plans collapse, people disappoint you, doors close without explanation. Strength fades quietly, and in those moments you begin to wonder, God, where are you? But what if you are not falling apart? What if you are being rebuilt? Sometimes what feels like destruction is actually reconstruction. Sometimes God removes what is unstable so He can build what is lasting. And while the process feels painful, it is not pointless. When a building is renovated, it gets messy before it becomes beautiful. Walls are torn down. Dust fills the air. Things look worse before they look better. But the architect sees the final design before the first wall is removed. God is not surprised by your current season. He sees the cracks you ignore. He sees the weaknesses you hide. He sees the potential you underestimate. And when He allows pressure, it is not to break you, it is to reshape you. You may feel tired of trying, tired of praying, tired of waiting, but exhaustion does not mean abandonment. Even Jesus experienced moments of deep sorrow. Even He felt the weight of obedience. Faith has never meant the absence of struggle. It has always meant trusting through it. You might not understand the silence right now, but silence does not mean absence. The seed grows in silence. Roots deepen in silence. Strength forms in silence. God often works underground before He works in public. There are battles you cannot see that are being fought on your behalf. There are closed doors that protected you from paths that would have broken you. There are delays that are not punishments, they are positioning. And here is something important. Growth feels uncomfortable. Muscles grow under resistance. Faith grows under uncertainty. Character grows under pressure. If everything in your life feels easy, you are probably not growing. But if you feel stretched, challenged, refined, that is transformation in motion. The enemy wants you to interpret difficulty as defeat, but God uses difficulty as development. Right now, you may not see progress. You may not see fruit. You may not see answers. But you are being shaped in ways that will one day make sense. One day you will look back and say, that season almost broke me, but it actually built me. Do not quit in the middle of construction. Do not walk away when the dust is still in the air. The story is not finished, and the God who began the work in you is faithful to complete it. If you feel like you are falling apart, maybe you are actually falling into alignment. If you feel like you are losing control, maybe God is teaching you trust. If you feel weak, maybe you are about to discover strength that is not your own. Stay, trust, continue, because sometimes the greatest breakthroughs are born in the quiet seasons that feel the hardest. And what God builds slowly, He builds securely. You are not falling apart, you are being rebuilt.